So as we know, tea is a worldwide drink and billions of people worldwide enjoy it. But in some regions, it's losing market share. And what we're going to do is explore ways of enhancing tea as a market. So we're going to use brainwriting to do this. And we've got our sheets of paper, we've got our pens, wonderful minds. We're going to get going with brainwriting. The weakness of flip chart brainstorming, with one person's thoughts interrupting another's, can be overcome by one of a number of techniques based on parallel activity. Brainwriting is the phrase commonly associated with a series of techniques developed by Horst Geschke and colleagues at the Patel Institute in Frankfurt. A typical brainwriting session comprises the following phases. The facilitator introduces the session and, if needs be, the principle of the technique. Discuss the problem to clarify the issues to be addressed. Group yourselves in a circle, say around a large table. Each participant is given blank cards, such as index cards, and is invited to record their ideas on these with one idea per card. As each member in the group generates an idea silently, they then pass them in one direction, say to the right, to the next person in the group. The intent of the cards is to stimulate ideas. On receipt of a card, a participant reads it to see if it inspires an idea. Each participant can then write down the idea inspired by the stimulus and then pass this new card on to the right. Within a few minutes, several idea cards will be being passed around the group. After about 20 to 30 minutes, all of the cards generated can be collected. The cards can then be sorted by the facilitator with guidance from the group into different categories of ideas with a generic title given to each category. We could do a selection, and there are lots of ways that we might do that. We could talk about it for longer, or we can do some kind of traffic light system. We could have a few dots, and the different dots signify our different feelings about the idea or different ratings of the ideas, go, no go, for example, with red and green dots. Or we could just have lots of dots, say 5 dots each, and we could vote with them all on one idea if we really like it, or distribute them amongst different ideas. We've not got dots today, but we've got wonderful pens. So I suggest we do 5 stars each. And as I say, you can put them all on one idea if you really like it, or divide them amongst. And between the 5 of us, we'll just see which of these ideas are going to emerge. Alternatively, you can allocate a set number of dots, say 5, and participants can choose to place all 5 on one idea, or divide them between cards to see which ideas are attracting the most attention. Fantastic. And then lots of other good ideas which we could pick up upon and further develop with additional elaboration.
March issue, digestive tea.
And the subscription service that goes along with it.
Yeah.
Fantastic. Thank you very much.
Thank you.